So why would you want to do the training with us? Well, we offer on-site, online trainings, and we offer a lot of experience with interactive exercises, and we do a lot of exam preparation as well for you. That's not only exam preparation, but also picking up summaries for the stuff that we talked about the day before, for instance. Furthermore, there is always a great atmosphere with much room for discussions and bringing in your own examples as well, making sure that you get an answer to questions that you have. No problem, we are always available for you, not only during the training but also after the training. Sometimes I say, until I no longer feel like answering your questions, which may take a couple of years. Let's see.